I am going to show you how to add 3 strands of crystals or rhinestones or 3 ribbons to a 3-strand braid. I will be using my 9-core braids braiding cap, where we'll be using yellow, orange, and red, but not pink because it's only 3 strands. And let's go ahead and quickly recap a 3-strand braid. Now a 3-strand braid is when you bring the outside strand into the middle from above. So yellow is going to go in the middle from above, red is going to go in the middle above yellow, orange is going to go in the middle above red, yellow is going to go in the middle above orange, red over yellow, orange over red. And this is how you do a 3-strand braid. Now to add 3 ribbons to a 3-strand braid, I will be using my pink yarn. I'm going to grab 6, 2 per color, and I'm going to have 2 strands of pink travel underneath orange and red, and I'm just going to wrap it around yellow. And that's how I'm going to add my ribbon to my yarn. So for orange, same thing. I'm going to grab 2 strands of pink. I'm going to make it travel below red, reach orange, and wrap it around orange. And same thing with red. I'm going to have my 2 strands of pink and wrap it around red. So let's get started with the braid. So I'm going to start with yellow. Yellow is going to go in the middle above orange with its pink. What I want is for pink to always be on top of the strand. Next is red. Red is going to go in the middle above yellow with pink on top of the strand. Orange is next. It's going to go in the middle, and I want the pink to be above. Next is yellow. Yellow is going to travel in the middle, and pink is going to travel above yellow. Next is red. Red is going to go in the middle with pink on top. Orange is going to go in the middle with pink on top. Yellow is going to go in the middle. Red is going to go in the middle, and pink is always found on top of those strands. And then you do this until you run out of hair, keeping pink nicely on top. And as you can see, with 3 ribbons added to a 3-strand braid, what you have is the ribbon going from outside all the way in, outside all the way in, and it's going along the braid, adding a really nice detail. Let's go ahead and try this now on a mannequin head. On the mannequin head, I went ahead and I took the crown area and I tied it right there for a 3-strand braid. I went ahead and I took 3 ribbons and I went ahead and I tied them to the hair tie. So I have my yellow with my ribbon, my orange with its ribbon, and my red with its ribbon. Now we'll have to move the ribbon around to make sure it stays on top. So I'm going to start with yellow. Yellow is going to go in the middle, moving the ribbon to the top. Red is going to go in the middle, moving the ribbon to the top. This one's a little bit easier to see. The first one's always going to be the trickiest. Next it's orange. It's going to go in the middle, keeping that ribbon on top. Now I'm getting yellow ready. Yellow is going to go in the middle. Ribbon is nicely in place. Next, left strand is going in the middle. Right strand's going in the middle. Left strand's going in the middle. Right strand's going in the middle. And I'm very lucky, my ribbon is obeying for the most part. Left strand's turn to go in the middle. In the middle. And left turn again to go in the middle. And one last one, I'm going to have the right hand strand go in the middle, keeping the ribbon on top. And now I'm going to tie it right there. So here's your 3-strand braid with 3 ribbons, and as you can see, the ribbons go from the outside all the way in, accentuating the braid itself. And so you can also pull on the braid. Pulling always makes a 3-strand braid that much prettier. And there you have it, 3-strand braid with 3 ribbons.